It's so valuable that every nama, not even one nama you should let go without you eating it. What do you eat? With your attention. Drinking it. Okay. Without you drinking. Don't leave any one nama also without you drinking. You have to drink. You're too valuable. How can you live? I give you example. In 2000 rupee note, you won't leave one note. Why should you leave one out of 108? These are all kind of, perceptions and feelings that you develop, automatically these things will happen. You don't have to use willpower for all these things. Then, if you do uninterruptedly holding on each nama, tell me, what does it ultimately mean? Ultimately, this converts into namasmaranam. Without break, you're remembering the nama. Attention on whom? On nama. And if you have to hold on to that attention, it is Krishna. So when you practice like this, tasking, chanting come hearing with delightful chanting, that means mindful chanting and spiritful chanting will lead slowly to namasmarana. And of course, on complete soulful japa, on more soul energies interact, or exchange of feeling is there with the Nama Prabhu. That is total namasmaranam. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. You go into Smaranam. And you should also have faith that this, when I touch the Nama, it is going to purify our mind. My consciousness will not be the same thing after a few years of this kind of chanting. My consciousness will transform into blissful consciousness. My desires will change. My desires will be for desires for pleasing. All now, presently I have all stupid desires. Maintaining this body and mind is not a stupid desire. That will still be there. But there are so many other stupid desires we create. And finally, we are hoping that one day when my heart is purified, my spiritual mind and spiritual tongue, when it touches the Nama, when it chants the Aprakrita Nama, at that time I will feel I want 1,000,000 tongues and 1,000,000 years to taste. That tasty is the Nama Prabhu who is on my tongue even now. But I am unable to taste. Even now that is the same super tasty, infinitely tasteful Nama is on my tongue. But I am unable to. Just like a rubber gloves, you are touching a heater, hot plate. Right there, hot plate is there. But you cannot feel. That separation one will start feeling, and that I will explain later on. I think I already explained something about that in one of the earlier modules. When you feel that separation, that intensity, then it's a very powerful, very rapid purification happen of our mind and body. Okay. Anyway, ultimate goal is what? Ultimate goal is to realize who we are.